everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. And in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. So I got this tablet from Best Buy for $199.99, under $200 from Best Buy. Today we will be unboxing this thing and checking out this tablet. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Here's what the tablet looks like. Here is the front side of the tablet and the back side of the tablet. Here we have the 10.4 inch 1200 by 2000 pixel display along with an 8 megapixel camera on the back. This comes in 3 different color options, and the 3 different color options are dark gray, silver, and gold. This is the dark gray color version of the tablet. This also comes in 2 different internal storage capacities, 32 gigabyte and 64 gigabyte, and today we will be unboxing the dark gray 64 gigabyte version of this tablet. So let's go ahead and take a look on the sides of the box. On this side of the box, here we have an aux port along with quad speakers, and your charging port has USB Type-C charging. Nothing on this side of the box. And on this side of the box, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. And let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So here's the back side of the box. The back side of the box talks about the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. The package contains the Galaxy Tab A7, wall and USB charger, quick start guide, and Samsung terms and condition. This is running the latest Android version, Android 10, secured by Knox. This is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662, and this has 3 gigs of RAM. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take out our X-Acto knife. We have our X-Acto knife ready to go. All we have to do is turn this on the back and cut through the 2 seals. Yeah, so we can see here. So for $200, 64 gigabyte version, I think this is a great deal. The 32 gigabyte version of this tablet is cheaper by $50. So the seals being cut, let's go ahead and unbox the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. So all we have to do is lift the top off, and here it is. Here is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 wrapped in this protective fabric sleeve. Pretty nice. Let's put that to the side and let's explore what is inside of these 2 compartments. So in our first compartment, we have our reading materials. Let's take that out. In here, you can see that's our microSD ejection tool. Here's our quick reference guide, along with our terms and condition, health and safety. Let's put that back. And let's take a quick look at the quick reference guide. Here it talks about Samsung Care, learn more, and about your device. Here's the features that are located on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Let's take a look on the back side. Here it talks about your Samsung account, switching made simple, essential apps, and you can learn more information with those links. So let's put that back, and let's go ahead and open our second compartment. In our second compartment, we have our USB power adapter, and this seems to be a 5-volt power adapter, so no quick charge with this. And here we have our charging cable. This is a USB Type-C charging cable, as you can see there. USB Type-C charging cable. Comes along with your power adapter. So here's the tablet itself. Let's go ahead and take off the protective sleeve. All we have to do is tear this one up. And here it is. So here is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Here you have your 10.4-inch IPS LCD display. Let's take a look on the sides of the tablet. On this side of the tablet, here you have your microSD slot. This supports expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. On this side of the tablet, here you have your quad speakers, 2 on each side, along with your charging port, your mic. On this side, you have another mic on top, along with your volume buttons and your power button. And on this side, you have another 2 speakers on each side of the tablet. So here you have your 5 megapixel camera. And on the back, here you have your 8 megapixel camera that shoots up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. You can view this tablet in 2 orientations, landscape mode and portrait mode. We're going to power this tablet on in portrait mode. Once you hold down the power button, we are greeted by the screen, Samsung Galaxy Tab A7, secured by Knox, powered by Android. With that being said, I'm going to set this tablet up and we will go through the tablet together. So I just finished setting up my Samsung Galaxy Tab A7, and let's see what this tablet has to offer. So we are going to view this tablet in landscape orientation. Here we have our home screen. You can add apps or widgets to your home screen. If you swipe down, you access your app drawer. Here are all the preloaded apps. Once you power this up for the first time, here are all your Samsung apps in this folder. Here are all your Google apps in this folder. And here are all your Microsoft apps in this folder. And yeah. So those are the default apps. Once you power this up for the first time, let's get back to the home screen. This is running on Samsung's One UI. Here are your apps right there that are docked at the bottom. Here you can add your folders, such as your Microsoft folders. So this icon is the Samsung's own browser. Your folders, your calendar, your contacts, your gallery, and your camera apps. So if you swipe down from the top screen, you get access to your notifications panel. Swipe once down more, you access your control panel. You can have this tablet in dark mode in the control panel, and you can access this from either side of the screen. That's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the tablet. Here you can see the aluminum finish. This has a non-removable 7040 milliamp battery. Here you can change your widgets and add apps. And yeah, so for $200, this tablet is a great deal from Samsung. So that's about it. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this tablet. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Trinh. I'll see you next one.